Hello again, Chromers. Right, this is going to be a little bit more advanced. This is going to be how to run multiple accounts at the same time. And this is going to cover creating the accounts, proxies, logging them in, and what have you. So, first of all, just check for updates. No updates, run Chrome. Now, this time I'm actually going to log in first. Just going to drag that over there. Alright, so first of all, we need some more accounts. I've still got this account that I made from the previous tutorial. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create another 4. I know a lot of you will be wanting to run more than 5 accounts, but this is just to demonstrate. I don't want to be sitting here creating hundreds of accounts while you sit there watching, twiddling your thumbs. So start the creator. Now, in order to create accounts quickly, you need proxies. You can't do it otherwise because TQ limit the amount of times you can do it, to once every 10 minutes or so. So I've got a list of proxies here, and I get this list emailed to me every day because I subscribe to a site called Hide My Ass, which distributes lots and lots of proxies every day. Where you get your proxies from is up to you. I'm just using this as an example. So I've got a load of them in here, so I'm just going to simply copy paste all of those into here. Alright, now I don't want to use my own IP this time, and I'm using the proxies randomly, and let's create some more accounts. So let's use the same name. Start from 2, same password, and I'm creating another 4 accounts. Now it will start going through all these proxies. There'll be a lot of bad ones. It will eventually get to a good one, he says. There we go. Alright, so 6ET7. And GR8D. Well, there's quite a few bad ones in that today. DJ V7. Wow. Normally don't get that many bad proxies in the Hide My Ass list. Just must be a bad day. Okay, VAXH. And NMJ2. And that's it. All of those are now created. And there they all are. So now, because I'm going to log in multiple accounts, I don't really want to do that from my own IP. So I'm going to need proxies to log them in with. Now when you use proxies, it's always a good idea to change connections per IP to 1. That way, one account is only ever going to use one proxy. Alright. It said I had to restart then. I don't actually. I just put that there just to make sure everyone 100% does. But I know better. But alright, so open proxies. Now I'm going to use the same proxy list. The proxy list is on my desktop there. So after I've opened the proxy panel, hide my ass distributes HTTPS proxies. So I'm going to import. This is a raw HTTPS proxy list file. So import raw HTTPS file, and it's on my desktop. Yes, my desktop is a lot messier than it looks. I've got multiple monitors and all the mess is on the other monitor. And import those. Click OK, and that's now imported all of those proxies. Now open the proxy panel again. You can see I've got 607 proxies, but I need to check them. I need to make sure that they're all right to use. So open the proxy checker. I'm going to change this to 250 threads, which is the maximum you can have. I'm going to delete any bad ones and just start the checker. It does pretty much speed through them. There we go. Then click OK, and we can see now that we've got 52 good proxies. Now what I do, don't have to, but I do it, is I check them again just to make 100% sure. So well, I've only got 52 proxies, so I only need 52 threads. Delete bad ones again and just do another check. This will weed out the bad ones, bad latency. Oh no, they're all good. Okay, so there's 52 usable proxies which I can now use. So go to my client list panel, and you can see here in this proxy column that they all say own IP. So we select them all and set proxy group to group 1. All of my proxies here are set to group 1. There are up to 8 groups which you can, so you can assign different groups to different types of accounts, say traders, things like that. We haven't quite got into how to set up traders and things yet. We will in the future, but I'll cover proxy groups then. But for now, just set them to group 1 and start them all. Launched 5 client list accounts there, and we just wait for them all to